Hey everyone, it's Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you are doing well. And once again, I thank you for coming back to this channel and watching me talk about trading psychology, perps, meme coins, crypto market, etc. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing my outlook and my opinion on Memecoin trading in 2026 and if it is a viable way to still make money or if it isn't. Once again, I appreciate you all coming into the channel. If you do need a Memecoin trading platform, sign up using the link in the bio. You'll get 20% off your trading fees, and it is the cheapest alternative to trading meme coins in 2026 still. So in today's video, I want to discuss my opinion on meme coins in 2026. As we know, in 2024 and early stages of 2025, meme coins were flourishing. It was not the easiest way to make money because it's still hard to make money. However, there were more ways to make money acceptably in terms of it wasn't as hard. There were not as much bundles and scams and all of these issues. And so now we're in this completely different market of meme coins in 2026, of which narratives still play a little bit of a role. But because there are so little meme coin traders compared to a year ago at this time, where there was many more retail traders, there's not as much money and volume and liquidity going around. And so what's happening is you need a concentrated pool of liquidity and volume into certain coins for it to move, right? You can't have one or two coins and then another three beta coins or vamps, as we call it, come in, because all that liquidity and volume is going to be spread thin and you won't have that runner because you'll just have a couple 100K, 200K toppers, 5 each. As opposed to if all the volume and liquidity was put into one coin, it would go to multi-millions. And so that is one thing in today's market that you need to look out for, is in 2026, you kind of have to wait for certain coins that are bundled and being pushed by whales, essentially, with supply control to make any sort of money. And I have quite an easy and simple strategy that I will show you all in the next video on the channel after this one. And it is very simple. I've shown it on this channel before about 9 months ago, and it's just waiting for high volume runners, multi-million coin runners, and you wait to buy them on dips using certain patterns and strategies I will teach you. There's another pattern, the 3 drives pattern, that I will teach you all with regards to meme coins, and they also apply to perps. So those are some videos coming in the future. So meme coins in 2026, what can you do as an individual listening to me speak right now? Well, what you need to realize is the good times of meme coins aren't here right now. Does that mean, can they come back? Like, Chris, do you think meme coins will be as good as they were in 2024 or 2025? Potentially, but at the current moment, they aren't. And you just have to accept that. You can't be trading how we were all trading a year ago. We can't trade exactly how I was trading a year ago with high volume, trying to get in and see if I could ride the wave, because a lot of coins are just dumping really fast, sub 100K, sub 50K, etc. So what you need to be doing is adapting with the times. In 2026, meme coins, they are bundled. They are all controlled by lots of whales. So number one, you have to accept that. You can't control the conditions. Okay, we're essentially playing in a casino, right? PumpFun is essentially the casino. They, at this point, dictate everything. Like, for example, on my screen, you see Punch, Lobstar, and some coins, right? High multi-million-dollar market cap coins. More than likely, PumpFun, the actual PumpFun team, is behind some of these launches that are happening, right? Like the troll coin that happened a while back. All of these coins, PumpFun at one point in time was behind because the market doesn't have enough liquidity to do all this, right? Obviously, this was 3 months ago, 5 months ago, 6 months ago, but it went to 300 million. This is all PumpFun's doing. This is all PumpFun pumping it. Or this potentially right now could be PumpFun pumping it. Because PumpFun understands that they need to invest a little bit of money to get people to trade, right? So for this coin to go to 40 million, we don't really have enough people in the trenches with enough money to be pumping these coins to 40 million. Right? So PumpFun is investing a couple $100 grand, couple $1 million into coins because they know they'll make more than enough money back on their investment, right? If they do a couple runners a week and say that cost them $5 million, let's say a week, but they make 50 million, let's say, or 10 million or 20 million, they're profitable, right? That's just a business expense to PumpFun. So that's what you need to realize is the market isn't in the state it was a year ago. And I'm sure each and every one of you listening right now already knows that. That's common sense. Right? But I'm just speaking for even new individuals that are watching who have never even looked at meme coins and they just searched it up today and they stumbled on this video. Okay? So meme coins are completely different. You have to adapt. And in my opinion, it's not conducive in terms of growing your portfolio to do anything sub several $1,000,000 market cap. It's just not. The way I'm going to trade meme coins once again in 2026 is by looking at coins like this, like Punch, and identifying areas of support and resistance, certain patterns like the 3 drives pattern, etc., and other different strategies and little tips and tricks I showed you all on this channel in the past. Once again, I'll go over all these things in the future videos coming up this week or the following week, so don't fret. I will definitely show you exactly how I'm going to be trading in 2026. But it all stems from high multi-million-dollar market caps, such as Punch, and identifying certain areas of support, resistance, etc. So for example, right here, we have an order block, right? What happens? We have a quick 3 drives pattern right here. Let's do 1 hour so it'll be a little easier to see. We have 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, 3. Third pattern, the third drive of the pattern ends up being the bottom. And so that's what often actually happens in perps, crypto futures, normal futures, stocks, etc., as well as meme coins even, is you often have 3 drives into a zone. So I'll teach this in a following video. I just wanted to show you this is how I would trade in 2026, and you don't have to worry. I will exactly show you how I'm going to be trading in 2026 with certain tips and tricks I've learned, strategies, etc. So this was just supposed to be a quick video. I just wanted to say that although in 2026 meme coins aren't dead, they aren't the same life force, or they don't have the same life force that they had, years ago, months ago, etc. And that's okay, because if anything, I believe that right now with the market we have, I'm not saying it's easier to make money, but there are far less distractions. Because of course, if you go on Pulse, right, you have hundreds of coins, thousands of coins, etc. coming out all the time. We know that, right? But you don't touch those. If you use the strategy and kind of the guidelines I'm going to show in the next video on how to trade, you will be perfect. As long as then you have your risk management and your trading psychology done, and you don't full port, you don't gamble, you will make money in meme coins. Sure, you might not turn $50,000 into 5 million. Sure, you might not turn $100 into $1 million. Sure, you might not turn $100 into 15,000 on a trade. It's much more difficult. But you can turn, say, 1,000 into 1,500, right? Make 50% on your trades, or 20% on your trades, 30% on your trades, and do that a couple times a week and make some money. Because it's all about compounding your growth. If you start with $1,000 and you make 20% on that 1,000 3 times a week, you have 1,000, right? Then you made 20%, that's 200, right? Then you have 1,200, 20% of that is 240, right? And then you have 1,440, and that's exactly 288. So in 3 trades, just making 20% scalps 3 times a week, you made 440 plus that, which is roughly 740, right? Let's just call this 300 just for simplicity's sake. So you made $740 on a $1,000 portfolio, assuming you put in the whole portfolio, or a 70% return on 3 20% scalps, right? That is very easy to do. You made $740 on 1,000. I understand. Some of you don't have 1,000, only $100. Well, you do the same thing. Just take away the zeros. You made $74 on 100, and then you could keep compounding. And that's what I'm trying to show you, is this is how I would tackle trading in 2026. Stop falling for the new pairs, right? Stop falling for this garbage in here. Stop falling for this. Stop falling for this. Stop even falling for migrated. I'll show you in the next video. We'll go into this section. We'll do filters. We'll identify the coins, and we're going to trade appropriately, finding good scalps and good zones. This is how you can make money, and you will make money in 2026 with meme coins. If and when the mania comes back, the meme coin mania comes back and it goes crazy again, we have volume, Solana say goes back to 150, 200, whatever it does, right? Bitcoin goes to 100K plus, whatever the numbers are. Eventually when that happens, say 6 months from now or a year from now or whenever, if meme coins are around, which I still believe they are, you'll be golden. Because right now is the time to put in the work when the market isn't as lucrative, isn't as crazy, because this is when you're refining your skills and your strategy. And this strategy that I'm going to show you is the simplest way to make money in trading, period. Whether it's stocks, perps, meme coins. I am going to upload the meme coins version of it, of course, but waiting for good assets, or not even good assets, but things that have mind share. If you wait for coins that have mind share and they have volume, so people are going to buy the dips, you just are patient. You wait for your zones to get tagged, you buy, you get a bounce, and you sell. All right, it is really that simple. So are meme coins dead in 2026? No. Is the old style of meme coins dead in 2026? Yes. Yes. No more new pairs. None of that stuff. No more narrative driven stuff. Yes, narratives can be still good, but you're not going to be gambling or trading on them. You are going to trade a systematic approach on high multi-million dollar market cap coins who have mind share and some volume behind them over the past days, weeks, etc. And you're going to wait for good zones to buy them in. And that is the way to trade meme coins in 2026. There is no other way. Absolutely no other way. Yes, if you're a streamer or you have a very popular wallet, you're an influencer or whatever with 100,000 followers, and you buy at 4K and people buy after you and you sell at 10K, can you make money? Absolutely. But I don't do that. I don't have the means to do that, nor would I do that. And likewise, none of you most likely watching have the means to do that, okay? And that's fine, because quite frankly, this is the most stress-free way of making money, is waiting for high market cap runners and buying dips on them in appropriate zones. So once again, this was just a quick recap on what I think about meme coins in 2026. Meme coins are here to stay. I have no inkling or thought of meme coins dying. I don't believe it. I genuinely don't believe it. Meme coins have existed for the last several years, multiple years, okay? They're not gonna die now. Now is the time to put in the effort, hone in on your strategy, and make some money. And then when it comes back, more volume keeps coming back, more people keep coming back, that's when you're gonna make more money, okay? Because you're going to be laser focused on what's making you money, and then you're just gonna have more coins, more narrative-driven volume coins where you can make more money scalping. So once again, I appreciate you all tuning in, listening to me rant about meme coins in 2026, and why I do believe they're still going to offer plenty and plenty of opportunities to make money, way more than a job can, and why I believe you should still devote some time to learning this strategy that's going to be upcoming on my channel and implementing it in your trading. Simplifying your approach, de-stressing your life. Because stress is one of the biggest killers, not only physically in your actual life, but also in your trading life. Because it burns you out and it makes you do bad decisions, okay? Because your portfolio is a reflection of your decisions. Anyways, let me save the ranting of psychology for future videos. Once again, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you for tuning in. If you do need a Memecoin trading platform, sign up using the link in the bio. You will get 20% off your trading fees as a discount. And once again, it's already the cheapest and the fastest, most popular trading platform in the Memecoin space. So once again, I love you all. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.